found our gate. Now we have half an hour till we start boarding, and we are gonna find a lounge to get some free food before we get into the flight, because there is no food in the flight. Kinam Lounge?
Lufthansa.
Yeah.
Go to the Thanks.
Yeah. Very fun. Small, nice, small sitting.
Like Sunita Silla. Check that one.
Salmon. Salmon and rice. How about?
Yeah? Or it's
Salmon.
not chicken? No.
You want some rice?
I'm gonna get rice. I mean, rice.
That's my favorite soup.
Pea soup.
Tomato basil soup. I got a cake.
Go for it.
Also not allowed. Thank you.
Just got into the plane. It's so small. My legs fit barely. No windows. So we have made it to the Queen's country.
Shit, Queens. Like all the pictures.
Oh, look at these. These are like all individual pictures to create the Queen's picture.
That's us, right?
Gets you £57.40.
Alright.
Alright?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, অনেক কম দিলো।
Ask them over there, tourist office. They've seen cards.
আচ্ছা, £3 or more.
নিবা না নিবা না?
No, they're skeptical.
We're taking the bus or the train? Train? এটা তো সাইডেরটা। হ্যাঁ বাইরে হয়েও তো আমার দিতে পারো।
একদিনের বাস ট্রাম নিব দুইটা, 12 পাউন্ড
এক একজনের?
দুইজনের।
নাও। কার্ডে দাও।
Checking in.
Yeah.
You are a little bit early,
Yeah.
but I need to check in the system if we have a ready room yet. So yes, I'm happy to welcome with you. Are you staying with us over maximum one night, no?
Just one.
Our hotel room is on the 5th floor. Number is 506. So let's get in. There's a room for one night. Pretty nice, I would say. But it's really expensive. Everything's really expensive around this area. I believe everywhere in London, like, it's really expensive. Yeah, it's pretty nice compared to all the other places that we've seen online. We have a really nice view with this beautiful clock tower, and as you can see, it's right by the road, so you can have like a street view.
So this is the main door, and as you enter, on your right hand side is the bathroom. Let's go check out the bathroom. Pretty small but very nice, neat and clean. Here is the toilet, and we have 2 towels. And here's a nice big mirror, and they also have this shaving mirror, makeup mirror, the small one. Pretty nice, I like it. Nice, beautiful sink, and all the little amenity kits that you might need. Pretty nice. Small but very nice. Oh, they have drawers. Let's see what's inside. Oh, they don't. Oh, this one opens. Oh, there's nothing in there. Yeah, nothing in there. Just more towels. Yeah, pretty nice bathroom. On the other side, a full-size mirror. The bed is pretty small, but that's what I don't like. It's like 2 single bed. They made it to 1. This is not comfortable. This is very uncomfortable. Yeah, that's one bad thing about these beds.
So it's 8:30 p.m. at night right now. We just woke up, so right after we checked into our hotel room, we took a shower and went to sleep because we were feeling really tired because we had like only 3 hours of sleep, and because of the time difference and everything, ordered some food from Uber Eats. Got some Indian food. Now let me show you what we got.
Onion pakora, 2 regular naan. This should be chicken curry and rice. Let's open it. Yes, this is the chicken curry and rice. Looks really nice. Let's open this.
Smells good.
Yeah, this is the veggie korma. It looks
And
good.
we have some salad.
Salad and chutneys.
Yep, that's all we got for the night.
It looks like a lot.
It looks like a lot for 2 of us. But
it was pretty cheap.
It was £23
for everything.
for everything. which is, I would
Pretty
say,
decent.
reasonable price.
Yeah, pretty decent price.
Yep, with the fees, Uber fees, so it comes down to £22. I was just trying the veggie pakora. Tastes pretty good. Let's try the veggie korma.
Yeah.
It doesn't smell like coconut smell. I don't personally like coconut that much, so I say it's okay. I'll try some dal makhani. It's alright as well. Try this with some rice. This will be the better one from all this. I like this, the salt and everything, the spice is on point, but with these two I don't feel that good. But yeah, that'll do. That'll work fine for tonight. There's plenty of food, so yeah.
Alright, we're gonna finish the food and then we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah.